You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Welcome back to the channel, it's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the Grandista Nero, and it's going to be in Bardock show today, no Coco show. But I'm curious, what are we going to get? Because you can see over here we're going to get two kinds of Bardocks, and then remains the question, what are we going to get in the inside? Is this a joke or is this like something pretty damn awesome? Okay, so this is my first Grandista opening, so I'm curious how good the quality of this statue is. So let's remove all of the freaking tape and let's have some fun. Because I want to do the unboxing with you, my Wicked family. And if you don't know what the Wicked family is, that is this when you subscribe to my channel. Alright, so it's going to be, I think it's a package that we need to put together. Alright, so this is going to be in the box collection. Well, let's see if we can get it out. No, we're not going to get it out because we need to cut it open. Alright. The packaging itself, they did a very good job with this. Alright. Ooh, multi-cards. So basically what you're going to get over here, you can already see it, we're going to get two hats. I'm not the biggest fan of it, and the reason why, because I am having a preference which one I want to use, and then I will never basically swap it again. Okay, so these are the two hats. We do get like a torso with arms, yep, and we're going to get my full body. And of course the block, because otherwise it will fall over. Okie dokie, so let's take a closer look at what are we going to get in package number one. I'm guessing it's going to be the Bardock hat, of course. That just is a normal black. I think it's pretty damn cool that they made an extra hat that basically like says like the Bardock as in Super Saiyan, yes. But I'm curious which one is the best one and if you're having some paint flaws or whatsoever. So the packaging itself is absolutely amazing done. Ooh, be very gentle with this. Okay, so the hair looks very nice. So alright, so let's look at the face. It's not a happy face, I can tell you that. So everything looks amazing. Like look how great it is, like the paint job and this scar on his face. So absolutely amazing. So that is absolutely best. So let's take a close look at number two hat, and because I am curious, and I'm just going to be honest, I don't know for sure which hat I'm going to use. See, that's the thing. What I will do is like put this thing basically aside of the statue of the figure itself. The only thing I wish they had like the extras, like a socle where you can put it in. That would be so cool. Alright, or stand, how do you say this? I'm saying it correct, not correct in the English language. Alright, so let's see how this one looks. Yeah, this one looks amazing too. I don't know, man. So let me know in the comments, which head would you prefer? Would you like use the original Bardock from the movies, or would you like use the Super Saiyan version? I also like, let's take a close look at the hair itself. It seems to be looking all very nice. I don't see any weird flaws or anything. Nope. Alright, time for the body. And they have all these special compartments. It's always like the same story. Alright, so let's see. We do get like a different color block. Has a number on it. Something that I've seen before. But I find very nice that they even like put some bubble wrap around the statue itself, so preventing to getting any damage. Alright, so we're going to remove it like that. Take out this bubble wrap shoes. Alright, very nice. Let's look at this. Oh, I'll say that looks nice too. You do see here the mold line. It's not really noticeable, but it is there. Funny thing is you don't see it on this side. Okay. Let's get this torso. Let's get this torso out so we can put this bloody thing together. Curious how the hats will fit. He does have like a very cool pose. But I do like when he's having this freezer armor. You can see he's like has a little bit well damaged. So that is pretty damn cool. So everything looks amazing on this. Alright. Let's see how this fits together. Okay, that fits okay. Alright, so that's a very good thing. Let's put in the original hat first. It fits in very nice. Alright, so let's put the Super Saiyan 1 on. Oh, looks kind of nice. but they fit in very well. Alright, so this is what I think, like when you're having original figures, they fit so much better than the fake stuff. But I'm also curious if they made any fakes of this one and how it will be. So the question, which feet do I need to put it on? Alright, it's going to be the left one. Alright, let's click it on. And let's give you a quick overview. But I must say, it's safe to say that this company, Grandista Nero, doesn't like disappoint. The product they delivered is absolutely amazing and the paint job is like stunning. Something that I wish that we had like 10 years ago when I basically started first with collecting some statues. I can still remember the movie I watched from Bardock, and I must say that I find it an awesome fascinating character to begin with. But yeah, when you're looking at the way this thing looks, it's absolutely cool. The facial expression, just to look how freaking pissed he is. I find it really awesome. They give you like an extra head. So let's put it on and I will show you like how this thing will look in the end. But when you're putting the Super Saiyan head on this thing, I must say like it looks kind of cool. But for me it's kind of weird. I know this will be a background story where you can explain why it's Super Saiyan. I agree. But the thing is like, for me, Super Saiyan 1, the first one, will always be Goku. But in general, I am quite happy with this Bardock statue. So in overall, when you're looking at the thing, like it's absolutely amazing how every single detail looks, especially when you're looking at his arms. When you're looking at his arms, the shadow effect on it, that is absolutely cool. It gives you like the idea of his muscles. And yeah, it's like freaking awesome if you look at it. Even when you zoom in closely, you can even see some minor damage over here like scars. But when you're looking closely at all the other parts like his armor and you zoom in with the camera, you can see how freaking detailed it is. You can see all the battle damages. Only the thing which you can see over there, the tiny scratch, that is not battle damage. That's absolutely like a problem with the statue. It's a minor thing, but it's quite annoying on the wrong place. But okay guys, I want to thank you for watching and let me know what do you think of this Bardock statue from Grandista Nero from the Dragonball Z series. I think it's an amazing piece and it will fit perfectly in the collection like with the other ones. And it will be great to see you in the next video, so consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become the Wicked family, and I will see you in the next video.